What are store functions? How to test the store functions in database testing? Let's find out all these answers through our video. Hi, I'm Bhagyashri and I welcome you to all to our YouTube channel Excel Bus Testing, where you will learn in easy simple way. So our today's topic in database testing is store function testing. So let's start our video. What are store functions? A store function is a set of SQL statements that perform some operations and return single value. Just like MySQL inbuilt functions, it can be called from within MySQL statement. By default, the store function is associated with a default database. There is slight difference between store procedure and store functions. The basic difference is given below. Let's check out this. Now this comparison you are looking is as per 4 parameters on the basis of return value, DML and select statements, error handling and invocation type. On the basis of the differences, we have calculated some test scenarios of store functions testing. So let's check out these scenarios first. These are functional scenarios. If you want to add, you can add non-functional scenarios like security testing and performance testing on the basis of your requirement document. So first of all, check the store functions are exist or not. Then check the store functions with the valid input data. Check the store functions with invalid input data and check the how it handles the exceptions. Check how result got displayed. Check the inserting data in proper table or not. Then check store functions used for only select statement. Try with other DML statements can use inside the functions or not. And then call store functions from the store procedure and vice versa. Now we saw the test scenarios. Now we'll see how to write the test cases, how to write the store function and how to execute those test cases. So these are our test cases which I have written. I have written 3 test cases. By on the basis of test scenarios you can add more test cases. So first of all, first test case will be stored function that are exist or not. You have to check. This will be the your SQL query statement. Show function status where db equal to your database name. Then second test case will be your you have to call store function and you have to compare that with the SQL statement, normal SQL query, and you have to compare the result between these two. And third test case I have written check the store function invoked or not when we call the store procedure. Now further you can add these test cases like select statement, DML statement or try catch statement, whatever scenarios I have discussed in previous slide, all test cases you can add here. So this is our MySQL Workbench software. Let me show you first store procedure how I have written and then we'll start the testing. First of all, let me show you our course table. Course table contains course ID, course name, then duration and fees. Here there are 4 entries like testing, Ruby, Python, Java, and fees are like 150 to 370 rupees. So first of all I checked whether this table is available or not by select star query. Then on this top of this table I am going to write one store function. Like if your fee is in below 250, then you'll be in silver level. Then if it is in above 250 and below 350, then it will be considered as gold level. And if your fee is above 350, then it will be considered as platinum level. So this is our store function which I have named course level. Then first of all let's start with the delimiter. You have to write the delimiter which will invoke after the end of your function. Then create, this is the function, create function name. I have given course level as a function name, and it returns varchar. It always will have input parameters and it will not have any output parameters. So then start with it. Just now I told you, like if my course fees belongs below than 250 rupees, then it will consider as silver. Simple statement I have written, if credit is 250, then it will set course level as silver. Then if it is above 250 and below 350, then it consider as gold. And then if it is above 350, then consider it as platinum. And I have simply ended this if statement, and I have written this course level, which we will show one list where you will get all this silver, gold, platinum kind of things. So, and then like this we can check how many functions are available, or our function is available or not in the our database. So how we will check? Show function status where database equal to new schema. So we'll execute this query. See, two functions are available. First of all, course level and the customer level kind. These are functions. These are, and the details are there. So like this we can find out store functions are available or not, or else we can find out here also in our schema. There will be two functions available, course level, customer level. Okay, these will be on top of this table. And then, so our first test case got passed here. Check the store functions that are exist or not. So by this query only we have checked, we have two store functions available in our database. Then next our test case is compare the result with the SQL statement and check whether our store function is working or not. So whatever test query we have written, we'll check and compare with SQL query. So let's see how we will call this or run our store function. We will simply call our function name and parameter, and just in table name, just simply we will call this function. So first of all, I will show you how will be the result of our function. So what I am showing, a course name along with the course level. Course level will be gold, silver, platinum, and for which course what level is there we will find out from course table. So let's run this query. See, so for course Java level is platinum, for Python and Ruby level is gold, and for software testing level is silver. So like this our test function, store function has been executed. So our next step is we have to compare our store function with a simple SQL statement. So what we wrote in our store function is just simply we have written in our SQL statement. So this is our SQL statement. Like select course name is same course name we have taken. Then case, when fee is 250, then level is silver. When fee is 250 greater than 250 and below 350, then it would be gold, and it is above 350, then set it as platinum and end from the course. So this is our course SQL statement. Sorry, here we have to written level. So this is our SQL query. Let's run this query and check the result. So this is it for today. If you have any queries, please write down to us If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We post our videos on every Tuesday and Friday. So stay tuned till our next video, and happy testing and bye bye.